How to link your WhatsApp on Instagram. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily link your WhatsApp on Instagram. So let's get started. So first thing first, just open up your Instagram application and make sure you're currently logged into your account. Now just head over to your profile section from the bottom right corner and you should see the option that is edit profile. Now just select it, and once you select edit profile, just scroll down until you see the option that is links. So just tap on the links option and you should head over to this page where you can easily provide a or add a WhatsApp link. As you can see, there is an option that is add WhatsApp link. So simply press on it, and now you just have to provide your phone number based on your country. So make sure you have selected the current or right country code just like this, and simply enter your phone number just like this and simply click on done, and you will be able to receive WhatsApp messages from anyone who taps on your link. You can remove the link in this profile by coming back to the same way. So once you click on done, just like that, you should have successfully added and linked your WhatsApp to your Instagram profile. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.